Perfect Sunday, on the blues, we looked happy, but I was going through, yeah, all my senses, really knew it, set to end it, but I was leaving you and picking daisies, contemplating, cause you say things, but never really do, yeah, you're never pulling through for me, my intuition's always right. Everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place, you stayed in my way. You said you loved me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you's in vain, cause that's just what I get for trusting you.
Okay guys, hey, so we're going to go to the I'm gonna go to the park. I just made my matcha latte and it's so good. It was so good, like a chef's kisses. And I'm not even saying that because I want to say this matcha is actually extremely good. It's like very good matcha. It's actually the, what you call it, the tea ceremony teacher. She actually gave me this matcha, so I know that it is the best. So I was really happy when she gave it to me, and I'm really feeling good right now. I'm going to go to the park, yes, because this week is sakura season, cherry blossom season. As you can tell, it was in my vocabulary before I even started the video. It's cherry blossom season, and one of the good things about Japan is you can always experience something that is wholesome, that is just nice, even if you don't have money. I mean, majority of everything in Japan costs money, I have to say, but like the nature portion of things, you don't have to pay to experience that. You can experience that for free, and that's one thing I really love and appreciate about Japan. And the fact that it is safe, as I said before, safe in terms of safe meaning mankind kind of safe, but and it's also safe unless, you know, when nature takes its course and things happen, then it's not so safe. But overall, in general, I've been here for a very long time. I haven't experienced anything out of the normal when it comes to like just regular earthquake tremors and shakes, because you know what I'm talking about, earthquakes. So I haven't experienced anything crazy because majority of the places that I live in Japan are very safe. Yeah, but I'm gonna go to the park today. I don't know if the cherry blossoms are in full bloom. I doubt, highly likely that they're not yet, but I still want to experience and I still want to enjoy my spring vacation, and I have been enjoying it, to be honest. Like, I have just been basking in every little thing that I can, so it has been good. And yeah, we're just gonna go to the park and see what can happen, what we can do, what we can experience, and so forth. And I hope that you like this little cinematic kind of, you know, thing that I'm trying to do. Like, I just wanted that feel, and I felt like most of my videos, they're very harsh and aggressive, and I am trying to create like a mood when I do vlogs. To be honest, I really love doing like videography, photography. I don't do it a lot because I have been busy, but whenever I'm free, I like to like take the camera. And sometimes I am very I have an obsessive behavior. When I start getting into something, I just start doing it. It takes forever. I'm going to take forever. I'm not smart when it comes to like knowing how to do stuff on time, in a timely manner. If I'll start getting into something, I'm gonna spend the entire day doing that. You know what I'm saying? But yes, this is us. I hope you are gonna enjoy this vlog, and I'm gonna get dressed as I said before, so just come with me as I go. Okay? Okay guys, so I'm going to be wearing this bomber jacket today. I'm going to wear all black, and I'm also going to wear I'm going to take my bag with me because I'm going to put my camera and what else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. But I don't want to have a lot of luggages and so forth, so I'm going to take a camera and a few stuff and take my bag, and then I'm going to take a small white handbag because I always like to have a handbag. I'm going to wear this, as I said before, black pants, white sneakers, and that's pretty much it. And just enjoy my ride as I go. I don't know if I'm going to film that portion of me riding because yeah, pretty much I don't really like riding while filming because sometimes the footage is shaky, and also because it's a little bit dangerous. But that's what we're gonna do. So as I said before, I'm just gonna get dressed, and then in the next clip you'll see me in the park basically. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So excited.
Just thinking of this. It's funny how you always say that I don't pick up my phone, but when I hit you back, you don't pick up.
Okay guys, so the place is empty and the sakuras have not started to bloom as yet. Relax and enjoy. There's just water everywhere. Oh, this is a perfect place to just chill and relax. You have seats. This is where your girl is gonna sit. So we're just going to walk now and just enjoy. I really love when the parks are very open, and I like the tall trees, beautiful cedars and so forth. It's really nice, so it's always a vibe. Look at the view. Okay guys, so I am just right here sitting down right under the sakura tree. There's nothing much to do but to just look.
Found myself obsessed with making you love me. Got so obsessed, I forgot to love myself. So distracted, I forgot I love myself. Can't I retract it? The love is for myself.
After a long day, I'm at the trial. So I don't know what I'm gonna get, maybe pizza. Discounted pizza, so let's go.
Writing a letter to myself, loving myself deeper this year 2023. I tried these tears for myself, for myself. Don't need you to wipe them away. If I know anything is that I'ma be okay. Sigue saliendo el sol, así sigo brillando con corazón.
Okay guys, I am back from where I went. I took a shower and I'm just gonna do some skincare routine right now. But today was actually a very good day. I really enjoyed filming and just walking up and down. I actually bought dinner from the supermarket that I showed you, and I was hungry, so I actually ate dinner at the supermarket. So they have a microwave and everything. My camera died, so I couldn't even film that portion so you could see. Yeah, nice and refreshed. Took a shower, put on my pajamas, and then I'm going to just quickly head to bed. Maybe watch a video or something, maybe a movie, just for reference, basically. But yeah, okay, I'm going in with this. This is just some hydrator. But actually, today was actually an excellent day. I really enjoyed everything that I did, and I think I would definitely do this again. Like the kind of video that I filmed. Like whenever I do stuff like this, I always just do it by myself without filming. So I don't know. Me personally, I can enjoy it better when I'm doing stuff by myself with myself and not with like people watching me. So I like to do that. So yeah, but it was actually very good. I didn't have any crazy people looking at me weird. So that's one of the other things that's the main reason why I don't really necessarily like to go anywhere and do anything, because a bunch of people just keep on looking at me. Hold on, let me turn off this because this is so noisy. It's annoying the hell out of me. Yeah. I'm just adding ice serum. But yeah, as I said before, I really enjoyed it and I really like the vibe that I got. You know, me editing the clips, I was getting really excited about just editing the clips because I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks so good. So I was like really happy about that. Glad that turned out good. I'm gonna post that. I hope I get the views that I want. Or I deserve. Because I put in a lot of work in my YouTube, and sometimes I get discouraged? No, not really. But I feel like I get discouraged. I may not show it, you know, in terms of complaining, but in my mind I'm like, these people, well, they don't know whether, you know, I got good content. Yeah, I don't really complain, like, or you know, but I feel a certain way, you know. I'm putting out good. I think I'm putting out good content. I don't know what the YouTube world's thinking, but I usually feel like I'm putting out good content. But you know, the YouTube world is changing, so I guess I have to like kind of also change. Sometimes that's a little hard for me to do, because it means that I have to put more work in. And if I put more work in, I want more results. But sometimes because I know that I always put in a lot of work in anything that I do, and if I don't see any result, it kind of makes me mad in a sense, like upset, because I want to see a result. Why am I not getting the result that I'm supposed to get? Yeah. But anyway, I'm just going to have faith, believe, and continue doing what I'm doing, and I know that in the future God will open a door.